I want also to congratulate the committee for going ahead and considering even the various taxes that are being levied in the neighboring counties, Mr. Speaker, so that we have a one region that maybe nowadays we call the North Rift, that having almost the same tax levy, so that people are not disadvantaged in investing in Uasin Gishu. They find the need to invest in Uasin Gishu because they are favorable. So the taxes we are passing in this house are very favorable, and we are inviting everybody in the North Rift and in the entire country, and even outside the country, to invest in this county, Mr. Speaker, because the levies we are charging are really affordable and manageable, and any businessman can find a favorable environment, Mr. Speaker.
My worry is whether we are able to account for all the money that we are able to collect. I still have a feeling, Mr. Speaker, that we are not even packing all the money. There is a regulation or a law in the Finance Act, Mr. Speaker, that we cannot spend at the source. I want to ask this committee, as an honorable member from Soy said, that we must do our oversight and let us do it right.
Information that is being raised is vital. Members of the Finance Committee are here. They are the movers of the bill that we have, and they must have listened. I think that's a matter that should not be brought to the floor of the House now, but instead it should be investigated by all the relevant committees of the House.